page 22, Meteorological Conditions. During VMC conditions, the aerodrome ATC will be responsible for the provision of aerodrome control services to all aircraft on the maneuvering area, including the runway in use, excluding the apron, and for aircraft flying within the aerodrome circuit. In IMC conditions, the aerodrome ATC will be responsible for aircraft on the maneuvering area, excluding the aprons and runway in use, except when other procedures have been agreed upon between the aerodrome and approach control ATC. A VFR flight shall always be conducted in VMC. When an aircraft is flying in meteorological conditions less than those specified, the aircraft is said to be in Instrument Meteorological Conditions, or IMC. In deciding whether compliance with IFR is required, aerodrome control shall take into account the official weather observations. An ATZ or a CTR shall be declared IMC when the ceiling drops below 1,500 feet above ground level, or when the visibility reduces below 3 nautical miles, or when both ceiling and visibility are affected simultaneously. Approach control shall declare a CTR IMC when any portion of the zone is IMC, even though VMC may prevail at one or more of the aerodromes within that zone.